For 5 years, race fans have been asking Dale Jarrett to race the UPS truck. Last year, Dale said yes. Now all he needed was one fast truck. In the fall of 2005, UPS assembled a team of experts led by Mike Ryan, world-class stuntman and nationally known builder of stunt vehicles and champion Pikes Peak racing trucks. In only 11 days, this remarkable team took a stock UPS truck and turned it into a race-worthy machine. For updates about UPS racing, visit racing.ups.com and watch for the finished commercials during NASCAR races this season.